Hey guys, let's talk about Kadena here. As you can see with Kadena, it is breaking through a daily resistance at the moment, and this right now is at about 70 cents, but this resistance is about 67.7 cents. Now we are starting to take out a range here, where we've been since, well, about a month ago, and that's really a good thing. But I'm not going to be really bullish until we really take out all of this range here. We really need to do that. Then I can say that it'll be super bullish. Basically, that means getting above about $1. Also, that'll be psychological resistance for traders as well. So yeah, let's say it needs to go about another 30 cents. But yeah, I can do that, guys. Now, if I were going to draw a trend line, let's just put a trend line back here and see what that kind of gives us. And if we just line it up, now, if I would draw a trend line like this too, we haven't really broken out of the trend yet. But, much of this trend, I mean, if I were going to draw another line, maybe I would draw it back here. And yeah, we broke out like a month ago. But anyways, if we just put this here, at this top, and then we put it on this touch point here, it looks like we really haven't broken out. So I'm curious to see what happens when we go above about 75 cents. And yeah, now Bitcoin, on the other hand, earlier today, Bitcoin was in the 66, I think, and a half range or something like this. Actually, I can put it on the 4-hour here. And yeah, you can see, I mean, it was down here, yeah, 66.6 basically in this 4-hour candle, which, I mean, it's not terrible. And it certainly would, kind of help us close the CME gap. But, right now we have created another gap as well. So I'm curious to see whether this holds. But basically, we closed at, what is it? Yeah, 66.6 basically on Friday. So anything above that, you could kind of expect us to come down probably tomorrow and fill that space and then start to move up. Now, I'm not much of a believer in CME gaps, though. I don't believe that they really have to get filled, but 95% of them or something like this gets filled. So it's just, I don't know how it happens, but it happens, guys. So I guess there's just a lot of pressure, when it makes those gaps. But I don't know why, guys. It really doesn't matter. But right now we are trying to get through this area of resistance. Now, I have said this in the past couple videos that this area, it's about $300 and you have 2 daily resistances. So it's going to be a little bit harder, to get through and push through this area. But basically, we only have a few more resistances. You got the top, or you can say bottom of this next Fibonacci. And then you got 69.4, and then you got 71.3. And then basically, guys, you're at, new all-time highs again. I mean, almost. I mean, you have no resistance really up there. So let's see what happens. This week on the economic calendar, Thursday, yeah, continuous jobless claims. You got durable goods orders, PCE prices, Q2. Yeah, real, consumer spending and all this, guys. So that's kind of a big day. But Friday also, you have core PCE price index. You got personal income, personal spending, Dallas Fed, PCE, Michigan numbers. So all of this is going to play, a role with what Bitcoin does at the end of the week. And let's see, guys. But yeah, that's what I got for you on Kadena and, Bitcoin at the moment. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.